Hello guys, let me show you how to use S Pen on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's take out this S Pen. You can find it right here in this slot. Just quickly press it and now pull to remove. Great. Now let's open settings and scroll till we see Advanced Features tab. Click it and now click on S Pen. And here you can see that my S Pen is currently removed, and you can also see this charging process, the battery percentage, and this little icon for air actions. We can click on these three dots to reset the S Pen. Just click it and now insert it back. Just like this. And now we just need to simply wait till it will connect for air actions. Great, and now you can see the status inserted, and we just need to take it out again. So just press and pull out this S Pen. And now you can see that it is currently removed. So now let's take a look at air actions. But you need to enable this function first to use them. Just click on this tab. And here you can see actions that you can perform to enable some of the features. So for example, hold your pen like this, and right here you can see this button. Hold it and do this gesture to go back. Like this. Let's make another one. So let's do this gesture to go in the home page. Great. And now to take a screenshot, you need to hold this button and do this move. And it will take a screenshot. Great, let's discard the changes. And right here, you can see some actions for the camera and media. So for example, the single press will take a photo. So let's go in camera. Just open it. And now to take a photo, you need just simply click this button. Like this. But you can change this action right here in the settings. So you can set up for do nothing. You can do the same thing for media, for example. So the single press will play or pause the music, but you can change it to any other option from the list. And also, here you can see app actions that can only be used in specific apps. So let's choose Samsung Internet, and here we can see many actions which we can perform. So single press on this button will go back to the previous page. Double press move you forward, and these gestures to scroll down and scroll up, and so on. You can also change every setting right here. Great. So now let's go back to the main page of this S Pen, and here we can choose air command. So we can make it standard or we can make it compact. And we can see it by enabling this show air command icon like this. Now we can see this little circle with the pen. Just click it and you will see this air command menu. If it's compact, then it will look like this. Great. Now you can also click on open air command with pen button. Let's go back again. And also you can set up when S Pen is removed, you can set open air command, for example, or you can create a note, or you can just do nothing. And you can enable these two functions as well. Screen of memos, for example. Just remove your S Pen and start writing right away. Quick notes, press and hold the button. Then tap twice with your S Pen to create a note. Like this. And it's a quick note. You can click here on more S Pen settings and see many options which we can enable. So we can allow multiple S Pens at the same time at the same device. we can keep S Pen connected always, even if we don't use it. And we can enable warn if S Pen is left behind. I highly suggest you to enable this feature. Also, we can turn off the sounds of this S Pen and vibrations. So now when we will use it, let me show you. It will make no sounds and no vibration, as you can see. Great! And we can use this S Pen for many apps. We can type in something in keyboard with the help of S Pen. We can use it in notes. Let me open it. So you can draw something here, or you can type in something. Just like this. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.